LRPs.
Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Kick up and fire right on top.
Low fall, blast off, time to get some cast off. Doing this here for years, get my pass on. Stream mask on, putting in work. Snap back, got me focused, never settle on a shirt.
Yeah. I make it move like I wanna move with them horns. Let them play with them strings while I spit the life for king.
All right, we got back row seats here. Just located a monster. Give you the play-by-play. Crappie has engaged the Hazedong shad. Circling, circling. Rick is all up in his business. A la Rick James and Eddie Murphy's house on the white leather couches. And he's saying,
"Why don't I stretch out? Yo, couch. Buy another one."
Crappie's getting antagonized. A little juvenile largemouth just swam in on the bed. Investigating. He just smoked the bait. Crappie is sitting there like he's fish made, not doing anything about it. He's got a school of 6 to 8 inch. Oh, wrong species, bro.
Thank God.
He didn't do that on purpose.
Yeah, I did.
Crappie has returned to his lair. School of juvenile largemouth is still prowling the area in search of their next victim. Yep. Rick is refocusing his efforts on the targeted species. Black Crappie. Crappie has engaged the Hazedong. Twitch. Aggressive twitches, remember? Yeah. Oh, he mouthed it. He's got it, maybe? Lift. Oh, no. He was just on the back side of it. I couldn't see it either. Coaching. It was coaching that time. Black Crappie is engaging Hazedong. Rick is getting vigorous. Hazedong has touched down on the bed. Rick is proceeding to disrespect the crappie in his own house with vigorous shakes of the rod tip. Crappie is getting agitated. Twitch, twitch, twitch. I think he needs to go more into pop, pop, pop and start his approach a little bit further back in the cut. There he goes. Now he's approached what I believe to be closer to the sweet spot on the bed. The crappie has engaged the Hazedong. He's getting antagonized. It is key that Rick maintains popping the bait without moving the weight. Crappie shows more agitation, flaring his fins, circling. Rick wants me to shut my mouth. Can't handle the pressure, apparently. And we have a face-off. Let it sink to the bottom. Slack line. It's a standoff. I would shake it rather vigorously. If you remember seeing me going a little crazy with it, you gotta get more aggressive. Because apparently you're not much of a threat. Get buck wild. He's getting a little bit more agitated. You a man or you a boy? Shake that thing. Seriously, shake it about 2 to 3 times harder. Your weight's stuck, which is good. Use that to your advantage. See that? Oh, look at that. Couple of bites. Now let it fall slack. So the bait's on the bottom. There you go. And when he noses down, pop it up. Crappie has lost interest temporarily, circled back. And now it's a good time to get his attention again. There he is. Yep, pop. Good, that was great. Crappie continues to show agitation. Rick repositions his approach. We're going to reposition these talons, give Rick a more pinpoint angle of approach, something you cannot easily do with the other shallow water anchor option, Tyler Reels Fishing. We have a much more vertical approach here. I think that's going to allow Rick to get much more aggressive with his shaking. An attempted aggravation of this male black crappie. Meanwhile, we're going to multitask here. One-handed. How you living, dog?
Good.
Did you just notice what happened right now?
I did. I noticed you went to the more aggressive.
Oh. Well played. Well played. What we have here is another victim wrapped up in Subway napkins. I'd like to personally welcome you to the Dream Machine, covered in newspaper. Oh God. Oh! Saw it.
Was that a nice one you just got?
No. I think I had a cruise for you. Right up to there.
No, I don't care about that.
Oh, really? Yeah, when you actually get them to commit, you don't really have to rush them. That's
Right.
But once they eat it, they just hold on to it for a sec.
Uh-huh. Get it. You're over the branch. Fuck around.
I don't know. I don't know.
See, you were fishing on the bed. I was fishing outside the bed.
You're trying to challenge yourself.
See, a good coach would have told me, no, just get it higher in there. In the pocket.
So I tried doing that. I'm doing it for Mama.
Right.
You notice the difference though? It's like I'm actually stirring up mud and shit.
Yeah.
Like you're becoming a threat.
Yeah, yeah.
You still got the feeding mentality, the SoCal mentality.
Right.
NorCal crappie, bro. They're super dumb.
Yeah, they're idiots.
Yeah, right there. Last bush on the right side.
Right there?
Yep. Don't take that personally, NorCalers. GoPro, stop recording. That's a good crappie. Remember, they typically don't spit it.
Bro, is it alive?
He's sleeping. Wake him up. Bring the mother effing ruckus. Play some Wu-Tang for him. Dude, your bait presentation has definitely stepped up quite a bit today. More pesky bycatch. Go away. No. That's a craps. That's the right kind, brother. That is the right kind. See, the nice thing about the drop shot rig is you can adjust the length of your leader and really place that bait repeatedly in his face. So I'd shorten it by like 2 inches. It's funny, you guys are watching us bed fishing and they probably think we're bed fishing for a big one.
Right.
And we're like literally ignoring that largemouth over there. A couple smallmouth down that way.
Nobody has time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. This is big crappie dreams. This one's a wily one though.
Yeah, not very interested at all.
Oh, he's fired up now. Pop, pop. Remember? More vigorous. Remember when I come in behind you after like 20 minutes and just pop, pop and they eat it? Be that guy. Yep. I like that. See, he's starting to get more defensive. Look at that pinpoint casting. Wait, hold on.
Just like you said. Just like you
Hold
said.
on, man. Bro, didn't we just discuss this?
You told me. The real set.
Real set, don't be in a rush to set the hook. You know, we're not punching. We're bed fishing for a 13-inch crappie.
Very true.
Okay, let's try that again. Oh, look, he's all discombobulated. I can't even spell that. I'm a pretty good speller. Okay, once he eats it, just wait a sec. It's a Hazedong shad, man. They don't spit those things. Look at that flipping technique. Solid. Ate the bait. Don't swing on the way it eats. Remember, you don't have to be in a rush. Pretend it's a dot crawler. Yeah, look at that! My goodness, that's a slab. Keep them coming in one direction, up and over. Dude, that's a beast, yo.
That's a nice one.
That is a beast. Is that a PB?
I think so.
I think we got your PB.
That's a nice crappie, man.
Hey, what's it feel like to be a gangster?
Feels good.
Put it on the board. Let's see what thing measures out at. I'm gonna say 13 inches, maybe 14. 14.
Just over 14.
Dude, that's a beast, bro.
That's an awesome crappie.
Now, where does this rank in your fishing career?
This is up there at the top of anything I've done fishing.
Was this cooler than hooking that 12 to the 15 pounder yesterday?
That would be the number one. This is number two.
Oh, come on.
Number two to that.
Really? Bass over crappie? Now we're just being ridiculous.
That's a nice one.
That is a nice one, brother.
I gotta get up.
It's the little things, right? Little subtle things.
It is.
It's all about execution, just like I said. Boils. Oh, look, they're chasing shad. Look at that. Look at that. Look at him. Oh, get him. Get him. Oh, look at, run, little homie. Look at, oh, dude. You're a winner. Dude, that was freaking sick.
This is my vibe, the way I survive. People can't play me out of bounds.
Savage out here.
On a jazzy jet joint, that's why CL can wear the crown.
How are we looking in there?
CL smooth.
How are we looking?
CL smooth.
LRPs.
Some of the best yet. Some of the best yet. They bite like that, like that, like that. Big bass, double digits.
Kick up and fire right on top.
Low fall, blast off, trying to get some cast off. Doing this here for years, get my bass on. Stream mask on, putting in work. Snap back, got me focused, never settle on the shirt. I missed one and hit one, man, that's getting some. 2, 3, 4, 5 more, come on, that's ripping up. The way the bass sticking, the way my feet.